It's the holidays! Yay! Or not. I'm feeling particularly alone this holiday season. If you are too, then let me know what you think about this 1 minute drawing exercise kind of thing that is anchoring me, calming me a little bit, and giving me some hope that next holiday season, a year from now, I'll be spending it with people who help me feel a bit warmer and help me feel a bit better about the holidays. This is what I'm doing. I am tracing the symbol of the simulation. I know that's a little bit out there, but at least try it so that I can get some feedback if this works or not. What I'm doing essentially is I'm tracing the symbol of the simulation. If you can draw it, by all means go for it, but I've just printed it and I'm tracing it and remembering what each part means. So I start in the center, the dot in the middle. That dot is you. It's me. It's all of us living in this simulation in the world. And I trace it and I remember that even though I feel alone, I'm not really. It gives me a bit of hope. Then I move to the middle, not outer, but middle part of the symbol. And that one is a unique piece. I did a whole video about it, so check that out. I trace it and I remember what it means for me. It means something different for you, so you'll have to check that out later. But I draw that, and then I move to the outer symbol, the triangle in the symbol of the simulation. And that one represents the three major phases of our lives, our game in this simulation. That first part is meant to be lonely. That part of the triangle is where you are tackling your inner demons, as it were, your inner challenges. And then the middle part, the bottom part of the triangle, that is the one where we find our people. We find the people who want to go through this journey with us and help us as much as we help them. And then we have the third leg there. That is the final piece of our lives, where we've upgraded our lives, leveled up our characters, found our people, and now we inspire the next generation to go on that journey as well, the younger generation, as it were. So that's the whole symbol of the simulation. I trace it a number of times. I feel more anchored. I feel more hopeful that as I go on this journey, a year from now, I'll have found some people who are curious. And that might even be you. Who knows, right? If you've made it to the end of this video, then I'm guessing you're also curious about this simulation and about how you can find people in it. And who knows, maybe next year, a year from now, even you and I might be hanging out and talking about the simulation and what it's all about and things like that. Crazier things have happened. So draw the symbol a few times. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you feel, if it helps.